There's a fiction story set in 2055. It tells of a man named Eccles who travels back 65 million years to shoot a dinosaur. Warned not to deviate from the tour's guide's plan, Eccles, along with his guide and the guide's assistant, head off to kill a T-Rex who was going to die soon anyway when a falling tree lands on it. Eccles panics at the sight of the creature and steps off the path, leaving his guide to kill the T-Rex. The guide is enraged and orders the Eccles to remove the bullet before the trio returns back to 2055. Upon arrival, they are confused to find that the world has changed, language is altered, and an evil dictator is now in charge. A confused Eccles notices a cursed butterfly stuck to his boot and realizes that in stepping off the path, he killed the insect and changed the future. A single killing of an insect led to change the future, and that's what butterfly effect is all about. Although it was a fiction, but it is actually practical in our world. The butterfly effect could be happening anytime, anywhere. Although the concept of butterfly effect has long been debated, the identification of it as a distinct effect is credited to Edward Lorenz. Lorenz was a meteorologist and mathematician who successfully combined the two disciplines to create a chaos theory. During the 1950s, Lorenz searched for a means of predicting the weather as he found linear models to be ineffective. In an experiment to model a weather prediction, he entered initial conditions as 0.506 instead of 0.506127. The result was surprising. A somewhat different prediction. From this, he deduced that the weather must turn on a dime. A tiny change in the initial condition had enormous long-term implications. By 1963, he had formulated his ideas enough to publish an award-winning paper entitled Deterministic Non-Periodic Flow. In simpler language, he theorized that weather predictions models are inaccurate because knowing the precise starting conditions is impossible, and a tiny change can throw off the results. To make the concept understandable to non-scientific audiences, Lorenz began to use the butterfly analogy. In speeches and interviews, he explained that a butterfly has the potential to create a tiny change which, while not creating a typhoon, could alter its trajectory. A flapping wing represents the minuscule changes in atmospheric pressure, and these changes compound as a model progresses. Given that small, nearly imperceptible changes can have massive implications in complex systems, Lorenz concluded that attempts to predict the weather were impossible. Lorenz always stressed that there is no way of knowing what exactly tipped a system. The butterfly is a symbolic representation of an unknowable quantity. Lorenz's findings were revolutionary because they proved these assumptions to be entirely false. He found that without a perfect idea of initial conditions, predictions are useless, a shocking revelation at the time. During the early days of computers, many people believed they would enable us to understand complex systems and make accurate predictions. People had been slaves to weather for millennia, and now they wanted to take control. With one innocent mistake, Lorenz shook the forecasting world, sending ripples which spread far beyond meteorology. If you liked our stuff, do subscribe. We'll be right back with amazing another video. Thanks for watching.